In this video, I will show you how to contact customer service on OkCupid. First, open the OkCupid app and log into your account. Then, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, go to Settings and scroll all the way down until you see the Help option. Go ahead and tap that. Once you're in the Help section, scroll down a bit more and tap Contact Us. Yep, you will need to tap Contact Us again on the next screen. It's kinda hidden, but it's there. Now here's something important to know. OkCupid does not have a customer support phone number, so there's no way to call them directly. But they do have an email system built into the app. You will see a Click Here link. Tap that. From there, you can choose the issue you're dealing with from a list, or just type it out manually. Then, fill out the rest of the form with your details, like your email and a quick explanation of what's going on. Once you hit send, your message goes straight to their support team and they will follow up by email. So while it's not the fastest method, it does work. And it's the best way to get help from OkCupid directly. And that's how we contact customer service on OkCupid.